Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in tech accessories. Today, we are reviewing the best Fold 4 Screen Protector Privacy, an essential product for anyone who owns the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. This screen protector set includes everything you need to keep your device safe, while ensuring privacy and a scratch-resistant experience. The 2x Privacy Tempered Glass Front Screen Protector is designed specifically for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Unlike generic protectors, this product fits your device perfectly, offering full coverage for the front screen, inner screen, and even the camera lens. What sets this protector apart is the privacy feature. The tempered glass provides a unique anti-glare protection that keeps your personal information secure, even when you're in public spaces. Whether you're using the front screen or the inner screen, it ensures that only you can view the content on your device, even when people are looking from an angle. You'll never have to worry about prying eyes again. But privacy isn't the only thing this protector offers. It's made from high-quality 9H hardness tempered glass that ensures your phone screen is protected from scratches, scuffs, and other damage caused by everyday items like keys or coins. This protector has been designed with durability in mind. With its scratch-resistant technology, it automatically repairs minor abrasions, and larger scratches can be easily rubbed away with your fingers. No matter what challenges your phone faces, this protector is up to the task. In addition to the front and inner screen protectors, the package includes 2 camera lens protectors. These lens protectors are made from HD clear tempered glass that maintains the quality of your photos while keeping your camera cluster safe from scratches and damage. Plus, it doesn't interfere with the quality of your images, so your photos remain crystal clear. Another standout feature of this protector is its shock-proof and bubble-free installation. The ultra-thin privacy glass provides a smooth, responsive touch experience, making it feel like you're using your phone without any interruptions. Installation is a breeze with self-stick technology that eliminates any bubbles, ensuring a flawless fit. The protector is also designed to work seamlessly with most phone cases, giving you the ultimate protection without compromising style. Finally, the product comes with excellent customer service, available 24/7 to help you with any queries. If you're looking for a reliable, privacy-focused, and durable screen protector for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, look no further. The 2x Privacy Tempered Glass Screen Protector is the perfect accessory to safeguard your phone while keeping your personal data private. Thank you for watching this review on Product Critique, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.